Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode we are going to show you how to win the lottery. So let's get it started. 1. Play the right game. We begin by choosing the best lottery game, which is likely the most crucial stage. In 2023, there will be a wide variety of lotteries to choose from, but they won't all be the same. Both state and federal lotteries allow for the simultaneous operation of several games. We are interested in the varying odds that players have for winning in each lottery. The needed winning numbers and the size of the options pools determine the lottery probabilities. Lottery games with fewer active numbers increase your chances of winning. For instance, the odds of winning 2x2 in North Dakota are 1 in 105,625 since competitors must match 4 digits out of a possible 52. Out of a possible 70 numbers, 5 in Mega Millions have won, plus 1 additional Mega Ball from a possible 25. The likelihood of winning this prize is therefore 1 in 302,575,350. 2. Look for less popular lottery games. Huge jackpots and well-known brands will bring large crowds to popular lotteries like Powerball and Mega Millions. Both have a long history and have garnered plenty of attention for their spectacular payouts. Although large lottery games appear alluring, we would encourage you to search elsewhere. Odds are frequently better in less well-known lotteries. If you do manage to find the ideal ticket, your chances of being the only winner increase. Splitting the jackpot among several winners might lessen the thrill, not to mention the financial reward. The highest lottery jackpot in history was won by Powerball in 2016, but the $1.586 billion prize was split among 3 tickets. Each of the 3 players consequently received less money than other significant lottery winners. 3. Wait for the jackpot to stack up. With each lottery draw for the particular game, your chances of winning remain the same. If no significant winners emerge, the jackpots are known to rise from week to week. So, once you've found the ideal lottery, learn as much as you can about its jackpots. Check the beginning balance and the typical winning level. Analyze this in relation to the current jackpot to determine your position. You might wish to hold off on buying tickets for a few weeks if the jackpot was recently won. By doing this, the chances of winning more money are higher and the awards will probably be larger. 4. Don't ignore second chance lottery. Second chance lotteries can provide players with an additional opportunity to win without requiring them to purchase additional tickets. This option is available in many lottery games and it can be highly rewarding. The idea is straightforward and direct. You purchase a ticket and participate in the main draw. You fill out the form on the back of the ticket and submit it in for the second draw if you don't win. This is typically done automatically in online lottery games. The second chance draw will then choose 1 ticket at random. Perhaps if you don't hit the jackpot, you still have a free chance to win a prize in the 6 figures or perhaps more. Malek in December 2019. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.